So I'm gonna pressure test the 1 inch punch by Patrick with a pad. So after that I'm gonna ask him how it felt, if it is a strong enough punch to be
make damage. Wish me luck, guys.
Yeah. Okay, so hopefully do the 1 inch punch from here. This is the 1 inch punch. You just see it's like I'm not pulling back, but from here, from the waist, yeah, from here I go. I hit. How does it feel?
Feels heavy.
Yeah?
Strong.
So it's a legitimate
it's like
punch which you can make.
it's thick, but it goes through.
Yeah. But you feel it.
It's a knockout.
Can be a
Can be a knockout.
punch.
I feel it, of course I feel it.
Yeah.